Hello and welcome back. This is Kiran and you are watching Kiran Sketch Vlogs. And today we will sketch McLaren 720S. And as usual, before sketching, let's get to know about that car. McLaren Automotive was found in 1985. Initially it was called as McLaren Cars. The company went on to release McLaren F1 in 1992. And between 1994 and 2010, the McLaren Cars was registered as a dormant company, that is, before renaming as McLaren Automotive in 2010. Like some of the other supercar company, all of this in McLaren started with racing by Mr. Bruce McLaren, himself a racing driver. He established McLaren Racing. Even now, McLaren has a racing team in Formula 1 and have won several championships throughout its history. McLaren launched 720S in 2017. The supercar such as McLaren 720 has the performance of a Formula 1 car and the body of a fighter jet. Its innate ability to combine both characteristics are what make this McLaren so fantastic. The dihedral door and the skull-like expression converge on the convex bodywork, which hides an insanely powerful 710 bhp twin-turbo V8 powertrain. This mid-engined exotic is available as a slippery coupe or as an exposed convertible. Both body styles delivers world-class steering feedback, surprising ride dexterity and relentless stopping power. Most convertible supercars are comprised by more weight and less rigidity, but the 720S is hardly affected at all. Despite the retractable hardtop adding some weight, the Spider is just as fast as the coupe and its open-air cockpit enhances the driving experience. Both the coupe and convertible versions cradle a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces 710 bhp. The power is funneled through a paddle-shifted 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The 720S coupe accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and achieves a speed of 100 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Since the McLaren 720S clearly is not a typical commuter car, it doesn't receive the typical EPA certification. It's estimated that the mid-engined machine would achieve a mileage around 6.38 km per liter in the city, 9.35 km per liter on the highway and 7.65 km per liter if both are combined. Every 720S is fitted with a vertically oriented 7.0-inch touchscreen that includes conventional features such as Bluetooth, a 4-speaker audio system and 2 USB ports. Those who want more powerful audio system to drown out the sound of this hypercar's V8 engine can upgrade to a 12-speaker Bauer and Wilkin unit. There is also an option as track data recorder called McLaren Track Telemetry with or without camera to save lap time. The McLaren includes standard warranty plan that spans for 3 years with no mileage limit. The cost of the car depends upon the variant and the price starts from 2.15 crores in Indian rupees. This is the sketch I did. If you like this video, then smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel to watch the upcoming sketching videos. Click the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to comment below. I'm watching it. Until next time, keep sketching. Bye bye.